What's up everyone, John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here, and I want to give you a quick demonstration of a pretty cool free download from the App Store for your iPhone and iPod Touch. It's called DoodleBuddy. Before I give you a demonstration, let me give you a little bit of a background. The iPhone, as you may have heard me mention, uses a capacitive touchscreen, meaning that there's no squishy feeling and it makes its connection through a transfer of electrons from your finger to the screen. So that's why you can't use it with gloves or you can't use it through your shirt. It's got to be a fingertip or some sort of skin on the phone. On the other side of the spectrum, there's something called a resistive touchscreen that you may have seen on a lot of Windows mobile devices. These are the touchscreens that kind of seem like they're a little bit squishy. And they make their connections from two layers of film. And as you push down on the film, that connection is made and that's where the touch is registered. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is, well, the resistive touchscreens use a stylus. And people sometimes like a stylus for drawing. Give it a little bit more accuracy than they get with just their finger, and there really wasn't a pretty decent or fun drawing application out there for the iPhone. In comes DoodleBuddy, this free application, so let me show you what this looks like. Go ahead and launch it up. There's DoodleBuddy. Sometimes it's fun just when you're wasting time, you want to draw a picture or something. So you can send advertisements obviously because it's free, so we're going to go ahead and just hit continue. So one of the cool things you can do right here is actually invite friends to draw with you. But, we're going to hit start drawing alone, which actually sounds a little bit depressing. So tap that. And here you go, this is sort of your canvas. And your options, you can pick your pen and your pen color and the size that you want it to be. That little dot right there increases in size as I move that slider over. So we'll pick right about there, seems good. How about I go with brown? And now I can go ahead and start drawing. I'll show you what the other options are in just a moment. Let's say I want to draw a face. Take my finger, draw a big circle. So there's sort of a face. Now there's a little stamp button right next to it. And here I can pick a whole bunch of different shapes. So let's go ahead and pick an eyeball. You can see that I was not blessed with any design or artistic ability whatsoever. So boom, eyeball. Boom, eyeball. Looks like something out of Spore more than a picture of a person. But what are you going to do? Let's give it a mouth. We'll give it a kind of a pursy, sexy mouth there. Go back to the drawing. We'll go back to my brown. Get a little bit of a nose. And let's give it some hair. Anyway, just something you can have fun with. And if you go back, you can see these other options. You can start doing some smudge tools. You can erase. I'll show you some of the smudge stuff. So I want to smudge her mouth, make it look like she just had a really long night. And I want to, let's say, maybe put some feet down below here for, I'm not sure what reason. Now right down there, there's a pound sign. If you hit that pound sign, you get some options. You can change your background, you can change the white, you can pick a photo, or you can go right from the camera. So there are a decent amount of backgrounds that you can choose from. You can see right there. You can change it to white, or you can go ahead and pick a photo from your photo library or just take one with your camera, which is actually kind of neat. Some of the settings that you get, you can clear it just by shaking, which I'll show you. You can save it to your photo album. You can draw with another user, and then general options really are just turn the sound on or off. And the sound is this really annoying scratching noise you get when you're drawing, and I'll let you hear what that sounds like in case you are curious. So let's go ahead and go back to the drawing, pick a color. Super annoying. So let's say you don't like your picture, you want to erase it, just do a little Etch-a-Sketch sort of shake, and your picture goes away. Just a short video of a pretty cool application. Sometimes it's fun just to doodle or get out some stress, whatever you want. Write a note to yourself. Just sort of a fun thing to do. Hope you guys enjoyed. For exclusive content, be sure to give me a follow on Twitter, twitter.com/John4Lakers. And for more information on Techno Buffalo, check out technobuffalo.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.